Riri Meneses, the former UST center of power, because she was manning that middle so well. That's blocked, but kept it in play, and they swing it high. Yan ang sinasabi ng mga coaches, when you give a free ball, make it sky high. But this blast, handled well by the back row. Back row attack, no problem. First long rally, ginawa ng paraan ni Tubo. Quick. Magmimerienda ba muna tayo? Matapos ito. Ayun, kept alive. Tagal ito.
Oh, still alive.
Oo nga. Tubo. Romero.
Wow.
Ha?
Good defense.
10 passes na ito. Mahigit. Sige. Dikit sa net. Nabor. Adjust.
Oh, nabitin.
Oh, yes.
But nagawa ng paraan. We saw her approach na hindi niya ina-expect yung pipe attack na yun.
First time we're seeing PBL yung si Bernadette Pepito, no? One of the shining stars of UST. Oh, butas.
That was a good set. Actually, ang ganda rin ng pasok ng middle attacker.
System nag-fail and somebody was not in a proper position there. Track down. And it's on the floor. Frankfurt gets it. Fourth point. Tama ba yung kamay ko? Tama ba yung lakas ko? Kasi you tried to throw off the blockers.
And sometimes din gusto mo rin iwasan yung blockers, kaya masyadong nagiging manipis yung palo, it sails out.
3 straight points now by Capital One. Sometimes she starts. Iris serves. It becomes a set. And there's another, that same spot. Turbino will be in the spotlight to serve. 14-11. Good stretch for the ball from the back row. Too hot.
Ganda ng back row na yun for Royce Tubino. Back-to-back points for Farm Fresh.
Meron certain muscles sa volleyball you really don't need it. But this one, she's perfectly toned for the game now. Kaya lakas ng output niya. In the meantime, the set. Oh, good. Set up. Tinaas. Hinabol ni Pepito. Oh, sinara ang pinturo.
That was a very good block for Farm Fresh. Sarado yung cross court.
Okay. Didn't know that. Anyway, here comes the serve.
Oh, good serve.
Just right into the middle. Uy, hindi na palo. Riri is afraid. The dig and Pahan scores neatly. We're tied at 15. That's expectation sa'yo. Pasok mo yan.
And dumipensa after.
Oh, right after, no? Block. Pushed high. Received by Pepito. Back row. Dink is on the floor. And we arrive at the second technical timeout with Capital One managing to save the lead. PBL on tour in Victorias. The Negros Occidental. Off the block. Reached for by the back row. To the far end. Nicely blocked. Now just gave them a 2-point lead. Inside the open spot, Tubo connects again. It's 2019. Occidental this serve. Reached for setup. Block.
Oh!
Butas.
Aragalang now in for Farm Fresh.
Oh, first time ni Ara to see action. Pinalo. And too hot to handle. 4-point lead. On the threshold of probably taking the opening set. Corvino stretching to it, and it's now set point. Aragala now serving.
Oh,
Very deep on that one. Here comes a free ball from Adorador. Airborne. Tubo gets to it. Reversed by Romero. Caught nicely that time. And that'll work, and we are done with the first set.
good first set here for Capital One. Ganda ng start nila. They were able to close this first set.